Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Verify a phone number in WhatsApp Business and register an API provider so you can send automated messages. Once done, generate API credentials, API key, phone ID, and a secure callback URL, and copy them to a safe place. Next, install WhatsApp on a test device and link the number. This lets you confirm delivery and read receipts. Make sure to enable any required business settings, because without them, your chatbot cannot send templates or interactive messages. Now you configure the bot logic. Define intents, map sample user phrases to responses, and create fallback messages for unknown requests. This prevents dead ends. Then wire the webhook. Route incoming JSON to your bot service, parse message types, and return properly formatted WhatsApp payloads. Also create message templates for notifications and get them approved if required. Once configured, run stage tests with a sandbox user, observe timing and retries, and refine replies to keep conversations natural and efficient. Finally, deploy the chatbot to production and enable comprehensive logging so you can monitor delivery rates, latency, and error patterns in real time. Once live, handle scale carefully. Implement queuing and exponential retries to respect WhatsApp rate limits and shard workers if traffic grows. Make sure to instrument key metrics so issues surface quickly. If something breaks, the first thing you do is inspect webhook logs and API error codes. Often a template was rejected or a webhook endpoint timed out, and fixing that restores service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.